K Love 305 reporting live again. So my brother happened to blow two of his speakers, and we was under construction for a little bit. So he got a Tahoe too. This is his Tahoe. I'm gonna let you listen to him and let him tell y'all what he doing to the Tahoe right now. Yo, so tell him what you're doing.
Just doing a little modification.
So what you making? What's that right there?
It's a 12-inch port.
And what you gonna do at the other hole over there?
I'm gonna seal it up.
Okay.
I got another piece of wood I'm gonna seal this other hole up with.
So we got another question. Well, we got a couple of questions. I see you got 4 6s back here and 2 horns. Do you got that running on 1 amp by itself, or do you got that running with all the amps?
I got 12 6s. Correction. I got 14. I got 12 6s and 2 8s running on 1 amp on a 2000.
What year is your truck?
2003.
Who did all your work in here?
I did. Everything you see here, I did.
Do you got a YouTube channel?
Yes, it is.
What's your YouTube channel?
Antonio Customs.
Where can they find you at?
You can find me in Westport, Florida.
There it is, guys. Say you can find him in Westport, Florida. He a pretty good guy. He a little reasonable. On his YouTube channel, he do show you how to do certain things. You know, that's where I learned how to do majority of my stuff at that I did in my truck. I actually did a little bit of modification as well in my truck. Sorry about that. I'm trying to work the phone, go in my pocket. The last time y'all seen my truck, I actually didn't have all of this in the back. I only had these, if you remember. So now I got 6s. I got 6 10s. I got 4 horns. I actually added, you know, a light to it. I put 4 more 10s in the doors. I didn't have them. A lot of stuff, like I said, I'm learning day by day. I'm not gonna say I'm perfect, because I'm not. I don't know about everybody else, but I try my best. I actually put this on a switch, my light, so you know, when I wanna step out at night, I can look a little fancy. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I'm still doing a lot of modification and getting better day by day. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna fix on anybody's car, but you know, I will keep bringing bangers to the YouTube channel. Later on this week, I'm actually gonna go to a friend of my house. He actually do music, and he gonna tell us a little bit about like what made him start getting into the music game and what started making him, you know what I'm saying, blow up a little bit bigger than what he is. But like I was saying, this your boy DJ K Love. You know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my video, and I'm out.